My friend's name is Joy, and he's one of the most interesting people I've ever met. Joy is a charmer, a great debater, a great cricketer, and has great communication skills and a lot of confidence. He is the only person I like to spend time with when I'm not studying. Someone said rightly that you become like the people you live with. If someone spends too much time with poets, he will start to act a little bit like a poet. In a similar way, my friend Joy has influenced me a lot, supposedly in a good way. Joy is often the best-dressed boy in the class, wearing a well-ironed dress and well-polished shoes. I don't know when, but I've been impressed by how well he dresses, and I've also started making sure that my uniform is perfectly clean and neat. Also, the politeness and confidence with which Joy acts in class, with friends, with teachers, etc., make a big impression on me. Somewhere inside me, I also wanted to be the same kind of person as him. So, I started copying him, and it has only helped me. People are starting to notice how confident I am and how well I can talk to them. Joy is also a great athlete. When I watched him play games like table tennis, football, and cricket, I became interested in them and started playing them myself. This has greatly improved my stamina and made me more physically and mentally fit. Joy will always be remembered as the person who helped me grow as a person and in my life. He is also a good listener and always listens to what I have to say, even when he is in a hurry. My friend Joy is like a book. He has taught me so many wonderful lessons about life and personality that have literally changed my life for the better. I wouldn't be wrong to say that Joy is the true joy in my life.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.